Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first impression review and wear test over the new, well this isn't new, it's kind of new, but it's the It Cosmetics Oil-Free Matte CC Cream. I am so excited for this. If you know my channel, if you've been here for a while or watch any of my videos, you know I have pretty oily skin. It's pretty cold here in Texas. It's been in the 30s and the 20s, so my skin isn't as oily as it is during the more hot months, which is like 9 out of the 12 months. But I was very excited when this got released. I knew I wanted to film a video over it, so that is what we're going to be doing today. It is currently 11:45 p.m. I mean a.m. I'm like still not awake yet. Yesterday was a long day, so it is 11:45 a.m. and this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm pretty excited. I have all of my Christmas decor in the background. I got my trees, my garland, and my little white snowflake sign. I even curled my hair today because I'm like, you know what? It's cold. Maybe it'll last for a few days. So let's put the effort into curl it, not have it straight. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I am basically going to apply this with my sponge, beauty blender, wear test, check-ins, all of the above. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm pretty excited about it. The only like crappy part about it is that Ulta does not sell it. Sephora is the only one that does sell it, but I am so excited about it just because I love the original It Cosmetics CC cream, and when I saw a matte one I almost died. So I knew I wanted to get it no matter where it was sold, but I think it would be a lot better if Ulta did carry it. So right now on Sephora's website this retails for $38. It is an exclusive item like I did say. They have 12 colors, which is a pretty big step I guess from their CC cream one, because I think the CC cream one, the colors are really weird. Like fair to light is a pretty big jump in shade range. At least I think so, but that is how many colors they have. Like I said, it retails for $38, and the specs on it say it's full coverage, the finish is matte, it's a full coverage color correcting cream with anti-aging skincare, now oil free with SPF 40, which is great. It's a physical sunscreen and a 12-hour matte finish. So it reduces shine and controls oil for up to 12 hours. Also infuse the charcoal to detoxify. I don't even know how you say that word. Some type of clay to absorb the oil, and tea tree extract to combat blemishes, plus an advantage in anti-aging serum. So there's a lot of good stuff that goes into it, and I really do like the CC plus line like I did say. I did get the shade light. I believe this is a same color I am in the normal CC cream, but I do also really like the packaging of it. I think it's cute how they did the blue, and then they have the pink one for like the illuminating one, and then the normal silver white one for like the normal CC cream. So I'm pretty excited about this. I will be applying it with a sponge because this is normally what I do. I'm not a huge brush person. I will apply it with a brush though, on one side of my face just to see, because I know not everybody uses a sponge, but I decided to use a beauty blender today. You definitely don't need to. I have sponges all back there that I like more than a beauty blender, but I just haven't used it in so long, and I spent 20 bucks on it, so might as well use it. And I'm not gonna prime today either. I strictly actually just wanna see what this looks like without a primer, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm completely barefaced right now. I have nothing on. I'm trying to clear up my skin, been to the dermatologist, and I'm on like some new like acne regimen, so this is in the process of being fixed, and a lot of it is I think hormonal, but we're just gonna pump some of this out. I did about a pump, so we're just gonna start with that. That is a little dollop right there. And I'm going to do this side first with my sponge. So right off the bat, great coverage, just like the original CC cream. It's blending out pretty easily, pretty quick also. I have to say it's still tacky like to the touch, but there's really no luminosity to this. It's pretty flat on the skin, which is exactly what I would hope for since it is supposed to be mattifying. But that is how it is looking with a sponge. I do like it with a sponge. I did use all the product I pumped out for this side of my face, but it looks pretty good. I'd have to say it's not full coverage because you can still see my little bumps right here, but it's pretty good medium coverage, and this is normally the coverage that I like. So now I'm going to take some more and then take my brush. This is the It Cosmetics Velvet Luxe Foundation Brush number 302, and I'm going to blend this out on this side. Yeah, I can already tell you I really don't think I'm gonna like this with the brush, just because I feel like the coverage looks a little bit different to me. Like, I feel like with a sponge I was getting more coverage maybe. Yeah, no, I don't like this with the, I don't like that with the brush. So I'm gonna pump out a little bit more. I do feel like you kind of have to use a lot. And I don't remember that being a problem with the original CC cream. But I definitely think this blends out better with the sponge. At least that's my personal preference with it. So that is how we're looking at now. I don't really see any imperfections in my skin since we didn't go in with a primer. We're literally like bare face. It's not really clinging to anything, at least nothing that I'm able to see. It's definitely still tacky, so I will set it with a powder, but it's nothing like the original CC cream. And it's pretty matte, but it's not emphasizing anything. It's not dry, like stuck to any dry patches, which I really don't have, but it looks really good on my skin. I like it a lot. I think what I'm gonna do now is apply some concealer, and I'm going to use the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. I've been testing this out in a couple more products for quite a while now, and there will be like another one of my final thoughts videos on all these products, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But I'm just going to apply this to my under eye. I have to say I do like this though, and I almost am wondering like if for some days if I wanted just a little bit of glow and I didn't want to be completely matte, which that is kind of rare since I do get pretty oily because of the Texas weather. I could mix like a pump of the original in with like a pump of the matte. That way you get like a best of both worlds, because I've heard that the pink one that they have, the illuminating or illuminizing one or whatever it is like really glowy, like super dewy. So I wonder if that would be like a good compromise between the two, is just to mix the matte and the original together. I do see myself really liking this foundation just upon application because of how smooth it is. It looks really good on my skin. The coverage is normally what I like. It literally, like, I don't see anything wrong on my skin with this foundation. It's freaking crazy. I love it. So we are gonna set our face though now, because I want to set it on camera, that way y'all can see what powder looks like on top of it. It is creasing just a tad around my nose, but that's fine. I literally have not put any powder on it, so not too worried. I am gonna take my I thought the powder fell up, but that was a sponge. That scared me. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 100 translucent. I didn't want anything like heavy or anything like that, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of it because I feel like you're really not gonna need a lot of powder with this foundation because it is already matte. Just has a little bit of tackiness I feel that needs to be set. Yeah, so now setting it with the powder, I definitely think that the tackiness went away, and I think it's gonna wear really pretty throughout the day. So this is what it looks like close up. It's pretty flawless and seamless. I really do like the way it looks on my skin. I don't see anything funky going on. It's not really like settling. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna settle on my forehead lines because those forehead lines are pretty deep, but I don't really see anything else weird with it, and the powder didn't make it look weird. I will use a setting spray probably though after I'm done with all my powders, just to kind of let everything set in with each other, like, you know, melt together. And I will probably use my Morphe one, but it looks pretty good. So right now it is 12 o'clock, so I am going to probably film because I want to do like a matte drugstore winter makeup or something like that, and then I will come back once my makeup is done and check in. I actually have a dentist appointment I have to go to at 2, and then I'll do like a check-in when I get back from that. So it'll be a pretty good day of check-ins when it comes to wearing this foundation. So I will see you guys in just a second. Okay, so I just finished up all of my face makeup, and I still really love the way the foundation looks. It did settle into my forehead line, so I did have to take like a beauty blender and go back over it. But I have never found a foundation that doesn't settle into those lines, so I'm not too worried about it because it normally does happen no matter how much powder I do apply. But it still looks really good on the skin. All the products blended really pretty on top of it, and it still looks good, nice and matte. So we shall see. It is currently almost 1 o'clock and my cleaning is at 2, so I will do a check-in once I get back from the cleaning, which will probably be around 3 or so, and then I'll do one more check-in after that whenever it is the end of the day. So far so good. I do like it. I am going to take some pictures and post on my Instagram, so if you want some better pictures, definitely go out and check out my Instagram page. I always post lots of good little makeup pictures on there. So I will see you guys in a few hours. Okay guys, so this is going to be my final check-in of the day. It is almost like 5:30, 5:45, so the lighting is getting dark because the time changed. So I need to film this now. But I have to say though, I'm a little bit oily, like not extremely oily right here, just a little bit, but it's not anything extreme like it could be. So I'm pretty excited about that. I really like that. Didn't settle into here too bad. Hasn't really worn off anywhere. I did go get my teeth cleaned and it still looks really good on my skin. So overall, I think I'm pretty happy about it, and the color light does seem to match me pretty well once I do concealer and everything. So I overall probably have to give this 2 thumbs up because I'm pretty impressed with it. I will be wearing it a few more times, you know, on and off camera. So I will update y'all in further videos. But I hope you guys did enjoy this little foundation wear test and review. I will definitely link this down below for you off Sephora's website just in case you are interested in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you guys later. Bye y'all.